Guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 791 error bad MCFG table on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, basically this is a driver related issue. So right click on a start button and choose device manager. And here look for any problematic device driver having yellow color exclamation sign against it. If you found any such type of driver, faulty driver, in my case no any such driver found. If in your case any faulty device driver found, simply expand it, right click on it and choose uninstall device. Reinstall faulty device driver in your system. Again choose uninstall and thereafter close the device manager windows. Restart your system. And after restarting, it will automatically install in your system. Restart your system. Again go to same place, right click on the start button and choose device manager. And here select any device driver from the list and select it, and from the top menu bar go to action and choose a scan for hardware changes. This device driver automatically reinstalled in your system. Apply this process for all your faulty device driver in your system, and thereafter check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, close the device manager window and restore your system. Open control panel in your system. Here look for the option recovery. Open recovery. Here click on the link open system restore. Restore system files and settings page will now open. System restore can help fix problems. Click on next. Here choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. You may choose show more restore point, and under available list choose automatic restore point or any other Windows update. Click on next and finally confirm your restoration point. Choose finish and let the window complete the restoration process. It will take some times. After that, restart your system. Your problem should be definitely be resolved.